Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of MelodySusie, and this is some of their new products that they now have available on their website. First is the gel polish, it's plant-based, and then we have the pocket drill. I am super excited for this drill because this is going to be perfect for on-the-go nails. I have done my nails in my car before, and it's actually going to work out just well for my pedicure station because I have very limited space to keep a drill. This one I ordered in purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors. I was torn between that and an orange, but look how sleek and small this is. This is actually very lightweight. It is their modular design, and they advertise it as looking and feeling like a pen, and I am not kidding. I didn't think it was going to, but it really does feel like a pen. And it's definitely going to give your wrist quite the break when you are working all day and not having all that extra weight. So moving on to the next item in here, you have your cuticle bits and then one mandrel with a few sanding bands. Those typically come with any new drill that you get, and you cannot get enough sanding bands or mandrels in your kits. Next inside, we have two different kinds of cords. This one I was blown away by, and I will show you later in the video as to why, because it was just quite genius. And then this one is how to charge the battery part on your drill. It is a Type-C charger. It doesn't come with a box, but there's a lot of options out there, obviously, to buy your own box. And then this is a cute little sleeve that can actually hold and protect your drill. Next, there is a little piece that you can put onto the drill to use it as a clip, and then of course it also comes with your instructions. So using this drill is extremely easy. There's two different buttons. A long press on the bottom button turns it on, and the other button is to change your speed. Once you get up to 9, which is the highest one you go, if you hit it again, it brings you back to 1. One quick press pauses the drill for you, and then one more quick press will turn it back on. Long press is going to turn it back off, and then if you do need to change direction, if you're left-handed into reverse, you just do a quick double tap. It's hard to see on the video, but there's an F and an R when you switch the settings from forward to reverse. So this next part is the part that I was really excited for. This is just genius to me. This extra cord that I showed you in the beginning of the video, this will plug into the pen portion of your nail drill, and all you have to do is unscrew it. What I'm holding in my left hand is the actual pen where you would put your drill bit. So you would plug this into the back of that and then plug the other side into the wall, and then your drill is completely operating while you are working. Yes, you'll be attached to the wall for a little bit, but while you're using this part of it, you have your battery plugged into the other cord and charging. And right there are the buttons. You can turn the speed up and down and then change it to forward and reverse. So genius to me, because I can't tell you how many times my drill has died in the middle of a client, and it's really not good to use your drills while they are charging. So this just gives you that option to keep working without having to wait or pull out a backup drill. So then when your battery pack is fully charged, you just unplug all of your cords. It's real simple, it's real quick. It doesn't take long to put back together. You just push into the area and turn. You'll feel it where you can't turn anymore. It's not a really tight or bothersome task. And then I'm just showing you again, it's back on and working like it should be. Again, I cannot get over how it really does feel like a pen in my hand. I thought it was going to be a little bit bulkier after seeing the advertisements, but just to show you a size comparison, right here is your average nail file. It's a little shorter than the length of an average nail file, and then just look at that difference. It fits perfectly inside of there. That way you can see how big this thing really is, or should I say how small it really is. And here I'm showing you how it fits into the little case that it comes with. It's super cute. It's like a rose gold color. Very easy to put in and out of. So right here I'm just showing you, this is how you insert your drill bits in here. You just push them in and pull them out. It has a little bit of a resistance when you're pushing them in and pulling them out, so you don't want to be too rough on it. Just slowly push it in and it'll go where you need it to go. And now I'm going to show you, this is a decently dolled out coarse safety band, and I use this to take gel polish off. I do need to put a new one, so I just want to see if even with a dull band it'll take anything off. And on the highest speed, which is 9, it is taking my polish off. I'm going to show you over here on one that doesn't already have a chip in it. And I just do a quick real light streak and it actually took some off. It actually has some pretty good strength to it. So this is going to be good for what I need it for. So moving on, we have the new MelodySusie gel nail polish, and these are plant-based. I have a 10-piece set that I have here. And then just real quick before I get to those, these were in my package. They weren't necessarily inside the nail polish, but you get a little thanks for your order. And on the back side, it has all of their social media following. So if you pause the video, go ahead and follow them. They have so many products, and that's what I'm going to show you here. This is like a product catalog, and it does not have everything that they have. They have so much stuff. You can build your own kits, or kits that they already have put together for you. There's nail brushes, there's builder gels, base coats, and then just look at all of those colors. And they have different types. They have like thick gels, faster curing, the jelly ones. There's plant-based, all kinds of stuff. Just check out their website. I will put the link in my description. I'm telling you, everything in here is perfect, whether you're new or if you've been in the industry for a while. I do love their products. And this is just so cute, these little stickers. I folded it, so I accidentally ruined one, but I really like that they added those in there. Who doesn't love stickers? So these are the colors that I got in my order. They are all super, super pretty. I don't even know how to describe these colors in here, but I just picked ones that it looked like I did not have in my collection already. So these polishes also have a very light natural scent to them. They are actually infused with 7 different plant-derived fragrances. So they're allergy-friendly, plant-based, free from HEMA and 21 toxins. They use natural colorants and soybean oil. These are so pretty. This first blue one is like a real pretty sky blue, and I just want you to notice how smooth the application is. It goes on so smooth. It has this great self-leveling effect to it. I don't know if I want to say effect, honestly, but it self-levels so nicely. And with colors like this, they can be frustrating because they can become streaky. You get that a lot in your pastels, your whites or milky whites, but no streaks here. And that was only 1 coat. So that coverage is just amazing already. This next one is so pretty too. It's like a coral, but it's not like a neon coral, but it's just like a real soft, subtle coral to me. In the light right now on the video, it might look a little more orange or a little more pink to you, or kind of dull, but in person, there we go. I got some better light. You can kind of see that coral to it. And then this one is just a really pretty soft yellow. All of these colors are going to be perfect for flowers too, by the way, if you do a lot of nail art. But look at that. Yellow is like a dangerous one where you can get a lot of streaks very easily with it, and that one had none. And all of these, I'm only doing 1 coat on the video. Normally I do my second coat off of camera, but at the end I decided to just go in with top coat because they did not need a second coat. This one is just a real pretty mauve-y type of purple. This red too is gorgeous. I was excited to get this red. Although it wasn't as bright as I thought it was going to be, I think this is going to be perfect to do like a strawberry design. It's like the perfect color for like a red strawberry. And again, look how smooth that is going on. I don't even have a lot on my brush either. They just self-level, and any streaks that you might see at first just kind of like disappear. These are so gorgeous. Also, if any of these colors give you any type of inspiration for a design, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think I should use certain colors for. I know quite a few of them are going to be perfect for petals like this one, just like flower petals, but that other like minty green one, I know it could be like vines or, you know, anything floral or garden like. But if you have any cool ideas for me to try, please comment that, and then we will go from there, because I'm going to be doing some art with these in a separate video. This one's like an off-white, like ivory color. It's gorgeous. This one right here is going to look kind of similar to the one before, but it's not. It has a little bit more of like a beige tone to it, or like a pinky tone. Yeah, this one's more of the pink tone, because this one right here is actually more of the beige toned one. And this one, I wish I would have got it a day earlier because I was doing a beach theme and we did like a sand dollar, and that one would have been perfect for it. Next, I just went ahead and went in with my top coat. Like I said, I only did one coat of these because they have just such amazing coverage. I don't have the top coat from MelodySusie. I am working on getting that. But look at these colors. This is one coat, one top coat. They are just gorgeous. And I actually am going to move this green one right here so you can see those white ones together. Just so you can see that there really is a difference from them, because when I was polishing them in the video, it was kind of hard to tell. But you have like that creamy one, that ivory looking one, and then like a beige. Again, I will list these in the description so that way you know what colors, if you like any of these and you want to order them. I'm also going to have their website and everything available. But thank you for hanging out and watching my video. Please look out for the next one.